Gyako Akawuuwo.
Abatuuze okuva mu bendobendo lya Sebeyi nga lino liri mu disitulikiti okuli Kapicholwa, Kweni ne Bukwa basinkanya ababaka ba Paalamenti abatula kakiiko aka Parliamentarians Forum on Food Security, Population and Development n'ekigendererwa ekyokusala amagezi ku butya bayinza okukomya okukomolebwa kw'omwana w'obuwala.
They are paying fees just like another school. So people's plea is that if they would subsidize the cost, this one would encourage more girls to come on board. Dropouts would be reduced, and automatically we would really fight this FGM, and I think it will.
Bano nga bakulembeddwamu Honorable Alero Tom Aza akiikirira Moyo West mu lukiiko olukulu lw'eggwanga akalatidde abakulembeze abataka wamu n'abasomesa okukola kyonna ekisoboka okulaba nga bamalawo ekikolwa eky'okukomola abawala.
I'm happy the DO is here. Teachers are here. Board members are here, PTA members are here, SMC members are here, all stakeholders in education development are all here, senior women teachers, patrons, matrons are all here. We have a big role to play in making sure our girls are in schools. Abamu ku bakulembeze okuva ku mitendera egy'enjawulo be twogeddeko nabo batunnyonnyodde ensonga ezikyalemeseza ekikolwa kino mu bitundu byabwe okugwayo.
At first, we have the surgeons, we have the mentors. Those people used to get their money during those seasons. So for them, they wanted to be given things like cows, like goats for their life improvement. Because by that time, they go and circumcise, they get money, and they educate their children.
From 2018 behind, this practice was completely down. But what we see now, first of all, if the government could manage to provide for these surgeons and their mentors some facilitation, it is now my task as the chairman LSC to put these things to rest. When the government is paying these people, I should be as the leadership of the sub-county because I know these surgeons, I know where they come from.
Ekikolwa kino abaana ab'obuwala bakiwanda lulusu era nga bagamba nti kityoboola ekitiibwa kyabwe nti era singa kisoboka kyandibadde kijjibwa mu bwangu bwabwe.
When I'm circumcised, I feel oppressed. It's like I'm publicly tortured. And my message to other girls that please, do not accept to be circumcised. You better run away and meet other authorized people who can help you and you achieve the dreams you have.
Me, I say FGM is supposed to be actually deleted from our culture because it is harmful culture to our girls, most especially the health of girls.
Babakulembeze b'ebika wamu n'ennono bagamba nti we batuuse omuze gw'okukomola abaana ab'obuwala gusobola okukoma ne gulinnyiwa ku nfeete singa gavumenti etuukiriza ebyo bye yasuubiza okukola mu kaweefube ono.
Government should continue educating people. And even right now, very few people are still interested in the FGM. Just a few individuals are still practicing this. So this educating the masses, sensitizing the masses in areas where circumcision is taking place should continue.
What the government has said, we have to follow. Culture can be there, culture will be going, moving with the government.
The government came in, even as we as elders, we found that that thing was not the only way how we can respect ourselves. So we should look for other ways of respecting ourselves.
So we are going to discuss and we are going to see how we can put things to ensure that the initiation of girls to adulthood will be done. And we have discouraged this circumcision so much.
Wano omubaka omukyala akiikirira disitulikiti y'e Kweni Kyekwero Lydia ategeezezza nti bamaze okwogera n'abakulu b'ebika era ne basaba gavumenti okubeegattako ng'eyita mu kuzimba amasomero kibasobozesa okumalawo omuze guno.
So they declare that they are going to join us in educating the people to leave FGM, and I think that is good news to our people. But of course I call upon the government to really come into our rescue. They code the schools, they construct girls' schools within the region. For example, we have Kosir Girls School that has been constructed by government. We are grateful.
Mu kiseera kino kaweefube wa gavumenti ow'okulwanyisa ekikolwa kino agenda abuna ebitundu by'Abasebeyi era nga kigenze kikendeera naddala mu bibuga era nga kati kisigadde mu bitundu by'omu nsozi awatali wangu wa kutuuka.